Hey my boos, it's your girl StacieWo. Happy New Year, and I am back with another video giving you this cool Smokeyeye glam. I'm still feeling like it's my birthday and it's New Year's Eve, and I'm still feeling glammy right now. The new word for the day, glammy. Yes. If you want to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching. If you are new, hey my boo, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell either, because you do not want to miss what your girl got coming for the new year 2020. This is definitely our year, so let's get it. And not only let's get it, let's get right into this video. All right guys, so we're gonna get this thing started. I'm going to be first using the Hello Hydration face cream. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on my face. Happy New Year to everybody, number one. Y'all ain't see that. So now, since I have that down, I'm going to be jumping into a hydrating primer. This primer that I got is actually the e.l.f. I've been trying their new like face creams and different types of their primers, and this is the e.l.f. primer. I'm a little nervous about it, but we're gonna see. It feels good, I will say that. I don't like looking real dewy. We're gonna just try this primer and just see how this primer will work. You feel me? I'm going to be going into the MAC Dark Deep Studio Fix Perfecting Powder. And I'm gonna take that, you feel what I'm saying, and pat that all in my skin. I really like doing this technique. But yeah, I didn't really have any New Year's resolutions, y'all. I just said, I'ma just do me. You know what I mean? Keep doing what I'm doing. Oh, I do want to gain some weight. Shout out to my skinny girls that want to gain weight. I want to gain some weight. Everybody be like, you don't need to gain no weight. I want to gain some weight. I need a lower butt so I can be, twerking or whatever. I'm going to tell y'all what my next video going to be because I'm so excited. I am doing a video with my husband, y'all. He's recording me right now. Say hey, babe. We're going to be doing the video because he knows how to draw really, really good, right? So I was like, all right, babe, we're going to do this video. We're going to see if he could do my face, if he could do the makeup on my face. So make sure y'all, check out my video when that comes out, okay? So now, since we have that down, I'm going to go into foundation. Since at first I was going to use this NARS, but I'm going to go into the Fenty Beauty because their primer was a little on the oily side. This is in the color 440 for my new boos that's, watching me. Today I'm gonna use a beauty blender because I washed a lot of my brushes. I hope everybody is having a wonderful new year. If you have anything you wanna do, be consistent with it. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna happen for you this year. This year is the year. This year is the year. Just know that. Know that, yes. Just do it! All right, guys, now since I got that down, I'm going to be going in with a concealer. And the concealer that I'm going to be using is the Fenty Beauty. I tried this before with my other video. I'll make sure you guys check that out. It was my birthday video. The Fenty Beauty in the color 420, and also the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep Sand. These two, like, for some reason, they blend so good together. I've been liking to do my face first and then my eyes. Just gonna take that lighter color and just dab that right in. For New Year's Eve, of course, that was my birthday. I don't know, but for some reason, I do not like going out on my birthday. Like, I've never been that girl that wanted to go out on New Year's Eve. I always go like the day before, the day after. It's like a time that I like to spend with my family. I kind of like chill on my birthday, and I like chilling on my birthday. It's just too much going on my birthday. Like, even though it's like so many people that be in New York, I do want to go see the ball drop one year. There's so many people that I'll be like, I ain't trying to stand out there in the cold. All right, now I'm going to set my face, and I'm going to be using the Airspun loose setting powder, and this is in the color, what color is this? Just translucent, just a translucent one. But I love using this. Gives you like a nice even tone, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna celebrate my birthday, and I'm gonna turn up real hard and get real decent. So now I'm just gonna leave that on my face for a minute. I'm going to be jumping into my eyebrows. I'm going to be using my NYX Professional brow pencil, and this is in the color Espresso. All right, since I'm done just filling in my eyebrows, I'm gonna go right back in with that dark deep setting powder, and I'm just gonna lightly brush this off. I'm going to jump into my eyes. I know what I love, and it's my Louise Rumor 6 base. I'm going to be taking my MAC 242 brush. I'm gonna just take a little bit of that Louise. I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Then I'll just take my finger and just make sure it's even. Now we're gonna go into eyeshadow since I got all that down, and I'm going to be going into the Smoke Show. The first eyeshadow that I'm gonna take is called the Night Dream. Put it just right on my lid. So now I'm gonna dab my brush right back into that. This is something that I like to do to just get that harsh line out of it. And this is what I do with all of my dark. If I'm ever starting off with like a dark color first, I'll just take my brush, and I like using this little flat brush. I actually got this from Amazon. It's a Dior Rhyme, but it's like flat but fluffy at the same time. As you can see, I'm kind of like pulling down. And I do this all the way up until I get into my crease. So once I get to my crease, I go in with a smaller brush, and this is the M506 brush. I will dab just a teeny bit, like barely none on my brush. I make sure I'm looking straight down because I don't want my eyeshadow to skip. And I just lightly feather it into my crease. I'm barely touching my eye, but when I bring it up a little bit on my brow bone, I'm like barely touching it, but I'm touching it. I'm like using this side of the brush to my tip, and I'm just basically just bringing it up. Now I'm going to go back into that same brush and just fill it in just a little bit more, just to give it, I want it nice and dark. But as you can see, I'm still dragging it downward. Now, since I got that done, I'm going to take a clean, fluffy brush and just make that look more seamless into my skin. All right, so now we're going to go in with that other side. One thing I am going to say that I'm going to do, that I just thought about, that I did say that I'm going to do for my New Year's resolution, is read the Bible more. I've been reading the Bible, but I just want to be able to apply everything that I read into my life. So I want to get into more of, reading about the Lord and applying it into my life, because I noticed that a lot of people, we say we are believers. No matter what you believe, you say you're a believer, but it's kind of hard if you don't really apply a lot of the things that the Lord wants you to do into your life. You kind of like mistakenly just go back into a lot of things a lot of habits that you're not supposed to do. You feel what I'm saying? So that's one of my New Year's resolutions. So we're going to go in with the under eye. So I'm going to just use a black LA Color eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to line my eyes black. Now, since I have that done, I'm going to go into the Morphe M213 brush. I'm going to take Let's Do It out of the smoke palette, and I'm just going to smoke this out really, really good. Right, my babies. So since I'm done that really, really quick, I'm going to jump right back into that Morphe M506 and just smoke it out just a little bit. I'm not going to pop on my lashes yet, but I want to real quick contour my face. So the first thing I'm going to be using to contour my face is you already know, the 3-step sculpt kit. And I'm just going to take a brush. Lately, I've been using just a powder to contour my nose and not a cream. I like it better. It looks more natural. It don't look so hard. But moving on, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiant contour. I'm still using cream for my contour, know that. Taking my Real Technique brush, putting it right here. I've noticed that people been doing it under their lip. It doesn't hurt. Just to see what it does. You know? Just to see. It don't hurt. So I'm going to tap that and just go right here on this cream contour real quick. You figured it. All right, my boos, so as you can see, I popped my lashes on and I did my inner corners and I did my blush. So for my inner corners, because the camera like cut off, so I didn't get that. But for my inner corners, I went into the Starstruck and I put that in my inner corner. And for my blush, I mean, my boos, they already know I do my e.l.f. blush and rolls. I haven't bought any other blush because I'm feeling this one right now. You figured it? Oh, okay. So now I'm going to take this. This is a new favorite thing that I like to do for my lashes so I can make sure like they, you know, fit good. And honey, get you an eyelash curler, girl, to make sure them eyelashes is on that eye good. You dig? So now, since I got that on, we're going to jump right into lip. So first, I'm going to be lining my lip with the LA Color Eyeline Pencil. Right now, since I have that down, I'm going to jump into my Lime Crime in the color L. Now, since I got that down, I'm going to go back and spray my face with the Aloe Olay. I don't know why I want to say Olay. Listen. Let me tell y'all a real funny joke real quick before I spray this. So I used to work in healthcare, right? One of the nurses, she was like, I want you to call this patient, let this patient know that they have a doctor's appointment. So I'm like, okay. So I calls the person or whatever, right? So let me tell you how crazy I am with sending out words. I call this person and I'm like, yes, can I speak to Jose? He like, Jose? Who the hell is Jose? I'm like, I need to speak to Jose. Like, I want to speak to Jose. He like, my name is Jose. Well, you know, Latinas, they spell Jose J-O-S-E. I thought it was Jose. You dig? Everybody on the station, they laughed at me and told me I was fucking crazy. But, you know, the light of the situation, just to let y'all know that listen, don't beat me up. Everybody has the things that they work on. I'm working on my pronunciation. You dig? That feels so good. Now I'm going to take this brush. I like doing this and just dabbing it all in my skin. Then I'll go in real quick with that dark, deep mineral skin finish. And I'll take that and just put that all over my face. Just to give it an even finish. You know what I'm saying? You know. And then I'll hit that spray one more time. And now I'm going to take everything down, take my hair down for you guys, and I'll be right back, okay? So guys, this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys also enjoyed the little tips that I gave y'all in this video. If you did, don't forget to like and comment this video and let me know what you guys think. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you won't miss my next video that I got coming up. And I definitely told you guys what I got coming up in my next video. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Be safe and be blessed and happy 2020. Mwah.